Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can enable or disable metered connection on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do this. So let's go quick into the process. Now in the Windows search bar, type here settings, click on this under the best match, or you can just simply click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the settings window, you need to look at the left pane and in the list of options, you need to look for network and internet. That is under the Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, the one with the Wi-Fi symbol, click on that. Then here, if you are connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, this will show up right here. So I am connected to Wi-Fi, and if you are connected to Ethernet, then the process is just the same. Now, make sure this is on and then click on this arrow. Then you have to click on your Wi-Fi properties. Then here you will find a lot of options for the Wi-Fi properties. And under this, configure firewall and security settings is the metered connection. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. So if you want to enable this, just simply switch this button on. However, if you want to disable the metered connection, then the option is still the same. You just have to go back to the same window, network and internet, and then click on your Wi-Fi and then the Wi-Fi properties, and just simply disable the metered connection by switching this button off. So once that is done, if you are also connected to Ethernet, then the process is just the same. You just have to click on the Ethernet. So if this is Ethernet, just click on this and then also click on the properties. Then locate the metered connection, and if you want to enable, just simply switch the button on. If you want to disable, just simply switch the button off. So this is how you are going to do it. Just simply close this window, then you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.